हॅलो, नमस्कार. शरद फुलकर ओरिजिनल एज्युकेशन या आपल्या यूट्यूब चॅनलवर सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे. मित्रांनो, आज आपण एक नवीन जाहिरात पाहत आहोत. ही जाहिरात आहे शांताई एज्युकेशन सोसायटीज, सियान इंटरनॅशनल स्कूल अँड ज्युनियर कॉलेज, CBSE, पिंपळनेर, तालुका साक्री, डिस्ट्रिक्ट धुळे, 424306, and English medium CBSE affiliated school, affiliation number 1130793. Walk-in interview. Required qualified and experienced staff. Serial number 1, TGT Maths or Science. Qualification BSc or MSc B.Ed for 2 posts. Serial number 2, TGT in English, Marathi, Hindi. Qualification BA, MA, B.Ed, 2 post. Serial number 3, TGT EVS Social Science. Qualification MA or BA, B.Ed, 1 post. Fourth number, TGT Computer. Qualification BCA or MCA for 1 post. 5 number, PRT all subjects. HSC, BA, BSc, D.Ed for 5 posts. Next, 6 number is for pre-primary teacher. Qualification HSC, D.Ed and Montessori, 1 post. 7 serial number is for music and dance teacher, instrumental and vocal western, 1 post. 8th number is for clerk, any graduate plus MSc and Tally, 1 post. Note is given here. Candidate with good knowledge in English and basic knowledge in computer with subject related experience will be preferred. Walk-in interview on Friday, 3rd of May 2024. Time in between 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Venue, Sian International School and Junior College, CBSE, behind Surbi Hotel, Satana Road, Pimperne, Taluka Sakri, District Dhule. Email ID sianschool@gmail.com. Contact number is 9860990099, 9404833881. Secretary, Shantai Education Society, Pimperne, and President also from the same place, Taluka Sakri, District Dhule. This advertisement was published on 24th of April 2024. मित्रांनो, ही आहे जाहिरात. तुम्ही जाहिरातीला अनुसरून अर्ज करा. भेटूया नवीन व्हिडिओमध्ये. तोपर्यंत धन्यवाद. थँक्यू व्हेरी